This sitting on my table is the PlayStation Portal, ready to be unboxed. It is a $300 handheld that can only stream games for your PlayStation 5. It is essentially a glorified PS5 remote play device, and in all honesty, it does its best given where you use this device. So let's rewind a bit and roll the clip of the unboxing. So out of the box, the PlayStation Portal feels really nice in your hands. It is basically a DualSense controller broken apart and fitted in with a nice 8-inch screen down the center. Ergonomically speaking, if you love the DualSense, you'll love this. This comes with all the gimmicks we love from the DualSense. We get the haptic feedback and the adaptive triggers. We also get the same button layouts, and like I said, there is no compromise in how this thing feels in your hand. Honestly, it feels much better than holding the Nintendo Switch and the Steam Deck. Now turning your attention to the screen, it is 8 inches, and when we look at some of the other competitors who are offering smaller screens, this is a good stand by Sony. The screen can go up to 60 frames per second, and we get a pretty sharp display. So visually, the games look great playing on the Portal, probably not to the level of playing on your console, but for a portable device, it stands tall. Now, how does it work? Well, to start off, it is an amazing device when it works well. When it has a steady connection, it is smooth, and playing games on this is amazing. But the times when your Wi-Fi connectivity isn't the most stable, this device becomes a letdown. It is supposed to be a portable device, but if you were to be traveling on the plane or at hotels, I wouldn't have your hopes up. So what is this device for then? I think it's great when you have to be away from your TV and your main console in your house. Maybe your family wants to use your TV, and all you got to do is pick up this device, go sit in a corner, and game, given your internet connectivity is strong. But I still find it difficult to trust this device. I've had a few days to try this device, and it works really amazing sometimes in rooms near my router, but the more further I go away from a router, you begin to notice latency. But again, my neighborhood has poor Wi-Fi infrastructure. But sometimes it's late night and you're feeling lazy and you want to cozy up in your bed and just game without having to get up to your TV. For that, it works the best. Is this a needed device? No. But is it convenient? Yes, if you have $300 to blow. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like. Let me know how this portal works for you, and hit that subscribe. Until next time, it's your boy Yadu. Peace.